What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1987 Buick Grand National. As you can see, 3.8 turbo V6, standard in these cars. These cars came standard with AC as well. This one's got some aftermarket wheels on it. They kind of mimic the GNX wheels. This car was pretty good. Whoever took care of it throughout the years. I believe the odometer only reads 84,000 miles. Powerball hood, of course. Runs great and sounds great. Pretty quick cars for the time, and they're still pretty quick when you're driving them on the street. Real fun to drive. A personal favorite of Mr. Jenkins here. Tilt wheel, of course. Really nice car. AC still blows cold and works. As you can see, the engine bay is in pretty good shape. Close the hood. Looks pretty good. Of course, you can only order these cars in one color, it being black. If you wanted another color, you'd have to go for a T-type or Turbo T. All your door jambs are in great shape, your glass. Really nice car. If you are interested in this 1987 Buick Grand National, you can visit mgmclassiccars.com or call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse where this car is located in Addison, Illinois. We offer special financing for these classic cars, shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We get new cars in almost every day, so make sure you keep checking the website and keep checking the YouTube channel, because you're not going to want to miss a thing. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1987 Buick Grand National. Hope to see you guys here soon at MGM Classic Cars, because remember, it looks a lot better in your garage instead of right here. Looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.